Hello everyone. Welcome to Shaily's Education Center. Today in our journalism and mass communication class, I am going to discuss some important words used in the world of journalism and its interpretation, which will be very much effective for all the BA and MA students. Stay with me till the end of the class. Now let's move to the detail of the class. ABC, Audit Bureau of Circulation. This organization checks the circulation of the newspaper and issues its certificate, which is considered acceptable for advertising and promotion work. AD, Advertising Abstraction, advertising in Bengali. Add, ADD, used for additions. Many times, extra parts are added to any news or writing, in which case this catch mark is given on the copy. Add link. If there is an ad attached to a copy, or if there is a possibility of an advertisement for a text, this catch mark is written on the copy and that copy gets priority. Add supplement. Add supplement means advertising supplements, reports on a particular topic and a collection of advertisements on related topics and published together in a special page or pull out, which is called advertising supplements. Alignment. This is given by following the left or right line of the upper line and giving equal range if the size of the lower line is more or less than the upper line. Art Department. This section monitors the use of newspaper decoration, page layout, makeup, graphics, and colors. Artists are mainly employed for this creative work. Ascender. The upper part of all the types that hold the X word as a unit is called ascender, such as D, B, etc. Descender. The lower part of the type that holds the X word as a unit is called descender, such as P, Q, etc. Banner. The first page of a newspaper has a bold letter headline that covers 8 columns from left to right, called a banner headline, and is used in special situations. Bit. This is the field of work assigned by the reporter from where regular news is collected, such as police beat, political beat, municipal beat, etc. Body point. The point size in which the text matter of a newspaper is composed is called body point. Everywhere, this size is adhered to all the writing on a paper is composed to the same size point. Body bold. When composing a specific body point in a newspaper column, when it is made relatively bold or thick for the purpose of highlighting, it is called bold composing or body bold. Box. If any heading or news surrounded by a line or rule that is separated by a rule around the matter or surrounded by a box is called box or box item. Box head. If a headline is surrounded by a box, it is called a box head. Basically, this method is used for the upper strap line of the main headline. Body story. When a news story is surrounded by lines or rules to highlight the news, it is called a body story. Byline. When a reporter uses his name at the beginning of a news story, it is called a byline story or byline article. Backbench. This is the top or end step of the editorial department where the newspaper's chief and senior editorial officers sit. Front desk. Where the news is first submitted, that is, where the first tier of the newspaper editing or reporting department sits. Blanket. In newspapers, the rubber cylinder on the offset machine used for printing that helps to convert the image of the plate into paper printing is called a blanket. It's all here now, and I believe you have gone through it well. If you liked the class, inbox me with your comment. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for notification. Meet you all on next class. Till then, bye-bye.